Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Pay and confirming you're signed into the correct account. This ensures changes apply to the right wallet. Once done, complete any biometric or device PIN prompts so the app fully loads. Make sure you have your current security code or device unlock handy because the app will ask to verify identity before letting you change security settings. This prevents unauthorized edits and keeps your payment methods secure as you proceed to the settings area. From the loaded app, tap your profile or the settings icon and then go into security or privacy. This groups all identity and lock options. Next, open payment methods or lock preferences to find the security code or PIN entry. You'll be asked to enter the current code to confirm it's you. Enter it carefully. After verification, choose the option to change or reset the code. This step ensures the app authenticates you before allowing any sensitive edits to payment protection. Now type your new security code following app requirements, typically a 4 to 6-digit code, and re-enter it to confirm. This prevents typos. After saving, test the change by viewing a card or performing a small action that triggers the lock to ensure the new code works. If the app rejects the new code or you're locked out, make sure your account device time is correct, then use Google Account Recovery or contact Google support. That troubleshooting path restores access without risking your finances.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.